Hey everyone, Eric Escobar coming back to you from the Sophos Red team. I'm the wireless technical lead here, so it would go to show that I'm going to walk you through one of our really interesting wireless red team engagements that we recently conducted. We had a client that they had asked us, can you breach us from our wireless perspective, from our wireless network that extends past our building? That would simulate maybe somebody in a parked car, maybe somebody in a waiting room. What could they do if they were just in proximity to our wireless network? While we're doing our reconnaissance, we found that there was an open wireless network that didn't require any authentication that the client hadn't configured in any way, shape, or form. Turned out it was somebody outside of IT that had configured this wireless network, but it still gave us access to their main corporate network. Now, some of the problems with that is obviously has no password, no authentication, and the client did not know that it was there. So we joined that network. We found an NTLM relay vulnerability that allowed us to gain access to additional sets of credentials and just additional access into their corporate network. From there, we found that they did not enforce multi-factor authentication from within their main corporate network because that was their second factor is, hey, if you're in the building, then that should count as that second factor because you had to tap that badge in order to get in. And so from there, we're able to access things like user inboxes, file shares, all that good juicy stuff that the client would not want us to have access to if we were a real threat actor. From there, we're even able to enroll users into multi-factor authentication so that we could come back later from the external public internet using their VPN credentials. It was a really interesting engagement. The client got a lot of really good, valuable data out of it. And so if this is something that you'd be interested in, again, come check out the Sophos Red team. Feel free to book an appointment with us, watch the rest of our videos. We do some of the coolest jobs on the absolute planet. So take a look. I think you'll be impressed.